हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल GLM मैथमेटिक्स। हम लोग आज देखते हैं 3 सेट्स वेन डायग्राम कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं। इसके बाद हम लोग 4 सेट्स वेन डायग्राम देखेंगे। एंड 4 सेट्स वेन डायग्राम जनरली लॉजिकल रीजनिंग कैट में, जैट में, डैट दे कैन कैट में एक दो बार आया है। एंड द 3 सेट्स डायग्राम कैसे देखते हैं, कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, कैसे फॉर्मुलेट करते हैं। देखो, let us suppose that A, B, C are the three things. A should be anything, newspaper of A, newspaper NA, NB और NC. क्वेश्चन में कैसे लिखा था, इसको फॉर्मुलेट कैसे कहते हैं। इफ ओनली A, अगर ओनली A लिखा रहेगा तो हम क्या रखेंगे, दिस इज फॉर ओनली A. What is this? This is only A. ये क्या है, ये एरिया क्या है, डॉट डॉट से, दिस इज ओनली B, ओनली B. और ये एरिया क्या है, दिस इज ओनली C. तो क्वेश्चन पेपर रहेगा, ओनली A कैन रीड न्यूज़पेपर, suppose Times of India. Only B can read newspaper Hindu. Only C can read newspapers like Dainik Jagran. And what is this region? This is A and B. A and B. A and B. What is this? A and B. A or B. And what is this region? This is A and C. What is this region? This is B and C. मैंने सभी को मार्किंग से दिखाया है. This region is only for A, this region is only for B, and this region for only for C. Cross dotted, this only for C. A dashed line, parallel line, this is only for A. Dot point is only for B, and AB dotted and the dashed line, and the AC cross and the dashed line, and the BC cross and the dot line. This region is only for B and C. And what is this region? This region is dash, dot and the cross. This is region for the A, B and the C. So first of all, when we will see the question of the Venn diagram, first of all we try to formulate in diagram. After that it will be very easy. Only A, then this region. Only B, only A. Only B, only C. A and C. This is, what is this? This is A and C. What is this? This is B and C. What is this? This is A and B. And what is this? This is A, B and now they can ask various questions. Let us suppose this region is A, this region is B, this region is C, this region is D, this region is E, this region is F, this region is G. They can ask various questions. They will give the complete number of people who read all the newspaper, all 3 newspaper. So that will become as a G. And they will give also the list of the 2 persons who will read the newspaper too. That will be coming AB and AC and BC. तो क्वेश्चन जैसा होगा हम उसके हिसाब से डायग्राम को और उसके इक्वेशंस को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फॉर्मुलेट करेंगे. तो हम लोग इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, A प्लस B प्लस C लिख सकते हैं, प्लस ए और बी को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, D प्लस E प्लस F प्लस G. तो ये क्या हमको पूरा रीजन, दैट विल गिव द कंप्लीट रीजन. कभी कभी समटाइम आपको ये रीजन देना है A and B एंड दे विल नॉट मेंशन नॉट C. देन हम लोग, हमारे पास क्या क्या आएगा, A and B and A and B. A and B में हमारा क्या, C भी इंक्लूडेड हो गया, तो वी कैन राइट इट D प्लस C. ए एंड सी में हमारा क्या हो गया, ए एंड सी में हमारा जी भी इंक्लूडेड हो गया, तो वी कैन राइट इट ई प्लस जी. If they will write only, if they will write only A and B, not C, then they will write B. If they will write A and C, not B, A and C, not B, then we will write E. Be careful what is mentioning in question. If they will write C and B, B and C, what is this? This is F plus G. But if they write B and C, and not A, then we will write what? Be careful while writing the equations. If they will write only A is equal to A, only B is equal to B, only C is equal to C. A, B and C is equal to, what is this? This is G. So now this expression can formulate in the question, and after that we will give the answer. Now we will learn how to draw the four sets of diagram. Continue watching. How to make now four sets Venn diagram. Suppose there are the four type of people. Type 1 reads A newspaper, type 2 reads B newspaper, type C read C newspaper, and type D read D newspaper. Then how can this formulate in the Venn diagram? Now this is the, firstly we will learn how to draw the four sets of diagram. This is the reason of A, we can write it A. This is the reason of B, we can write it B. This is the reason of C, we can write it C. This is the reason of D, we can write it D here, C here, D. This is the reason of both C and D, so C and D should be here. This is the reason of both A and B. A and B is also here. A, B and C and D. And this is the reason of A, C and D. This is the reason of B and D. Okay, correct? This is the reason of A, B and D. And this is the reason of AC, AD, BC, DD. This is the reason of C and D. This is the reason of CD and AD. Now this is a simple formulation. अब इससे क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं? क्वेश्चन ऐसे आएंगे कि सपोज A people read newspaper A, only A, then we will write it A. We can write it A, B, this is C, this is D. How to formulate this question? How they will formulate the question? Only A means this region. Only B means this region. We will not go beyond this boundary. Only C means this region. Only D means this region. But we will not go beyond this boundary. And A and B, this region. A and B, they will ask only A and B, then this region. They will ask two reasons, then the reason will be AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. How to remember this? This is very easy way to remember. हम लोग इसको ऐसे रिमेम्बर रख सकते हैं. आप एक हेक्सागन बनाओ. हेक्सागन हम बनाओ. हेक्सागन में हमारा क्या क्या आ जाएगा? This is AB and this is BC, this is CD, this is CD, and this is BD, this is AB, this is AC. तो ये हमारा हेक्सागन हो गया. इसके लिए हम लोग एक स्क्वायर बना लेते हैं. हाउ डू यू रिमेंबर दिस? दिस इज ए स्क्वायर फॉर द three things. Square for the threes. Only one dot is for the one thing, and hexagon is the for the two thing. Now they will ask. Suppose only A will read this newspaper. So 100 people. Suppose 100 people read two newspapers. Then in that case we will take all the point of hexagon: AB, BC, CD, BD, AD, and AC. Only three people, 200. Suppose you have 50 people read three type of newspaper. Then we will take all the part of a square: ACD, CAB, BCD, and ABD. This is the trick. Okay, 4 sets. And if they will ask, suppose 20 people will read all the 4 newspapers, then we will have only one point ABCD. Then how we will remember it? We will make a hexagon of the 6 points. 6 points for the 2 reason, and the 4 point for the 3 reason, and for the single region, what is the point? A, B, and the C and D is a single region. In single region, they will write the term only or individual. Okay, thank you.